So alright, today I would like to show you on how to activate the Trubot SIM card. Okay, the unlocking SIM card from us. So let's say this is an unlocked iPhone. Alright, so I'm going to insert the chip into the iPhone. So it is going to slide in like this, and it is going to sit like this. Alright, so and the SIM card is gonna be placed above the chip like this. So the new will be beneath, it will be the bottom, and this SIM card would be facing you. This will go into the phone like this. Once it's gone, perfect. You'll have an options like this. You are supposed to choose edit ICC ID and then erase the old code. Alright, in this case it is an already unlocked iPhone, so the options has gone, but it did come back. So alright, so you are going to enter the ICC ID code. In my case I have already copied and pasted it, so you're going to type it. Be quick because this window would close. After this you send, and you're supposed to choose 3G or 4G ICC ID mode, which is the 7th option. Done. So once it is done, you are supposed to accept it and then activate your iPhone. It will be done. In case of any issues, please feel free to message us.